Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about our empties. I don't have a whole lot, but I got some interesting things. So, first thing I want to talk to you about is this detoxifying Mediterranean salt scrub from Tree Hut. I got this at Ulta. Yes, it looks, ugh, I know. But this stuff is fabulous. It makes your skin feel so smooth and all that, and it doesn't have a floral smell. It has a more masculine smell, and I really like it. So, I will be purchasing that, and that is in the scent Fig and Olive. The other thing that I have this month is another Soap and Glory Sugar Crush body wash. So, you know, I had bought a bunch of the Soap and Glory kits after Christmas when they went on clearance last year. It's okay. I don't know that I would run out and buy it again. So the next thing I have is the Oribe, I think is the way you say it. A little mini can of the texturizing spray. I do like this. It is expensive. It's pretty expensive. I think there are some things on the lower end that I could use instead of it, but I do like it. It's very nice. The other thing I have is the Nukes gel, face cleansing and makeup removing gel. So I use this up as well. I don't get wedded to a lot of these things because I have so many samples of stuff that I just, you know, I'm like, I'm moving on to the next thing. So, the next thing I want to talk about is this Brazilian Kiss or they call it a lip butter. This right here. I think I paid like $17 for this. I barely used it, and it's already, like, when you rub your lips on it, it's hitting the plastic side. I'm like, really? Like, $17? I don't think so. Go get yourself some, chapstick. You'll be okay. The next thing I have is my Makeup Forever. This is the Base Mattifying Skin Equalizer Step 1. I love this primer. It makes me feel like my makeup's sticking to it. And I always have samples of that, and I will definitely be repurchasing when I run low. Alright, so the other thing I have this month is from Fresh. It's the Rose Face Mask. So I tend to put these on when I'm in the shower and just let them sit while I'm washing my hair and all that other stuff. Yeah, I don't know about this. I'm not a fan. I can't wrap my arms around the whole Fresh thing. Then I have my Ulta Beauty Brow Tint. This is fabulous. It's just as good as ABH. I'm like dead out, and I need to purchase another one. This is the Glam Glow Instamud 60-second pore refining treatment. I had a little sample of it from Sephora. It's okay. I'm not going to buy it again. I'm not going to get it again. Then I got a sample of my Urban Decay All Nighter Fixing Spray. Oh my god, I forgot how much I love this. I need to buy a full-size bottle. This stuff, you spray it on your face and your makeup doesn't move. I love it. Love it. But I went through it quickly. Then I have an eye primer from Lorac that I've finished up. My It Tight Line mascara. It dried out on me. I am not a fan of it. I just don't like that product. Sorry. And then the next thing I have is my Naked Skin. This is the loose powder. It's like a loose finishing powder. There's still some in here. I use the shit out of this. It's like it was never ending. It just makes my face look so dry and cakey, and I don't like that. So I won't be purchasing that again. But yeah, there are some inexpensive things in here that I would go for. Definitely the scrub from Tree Hut. I would do that. Try out this brow gel brow tint from the Ulta Beauty collection. It's very good. And then this Makeup Forever mattifying primer is fabulous. It's absolutely fabulous. And then, of course, like I said, my All-Nighter finishing spray. My God, the stuff is just... I have so many other finishing sprays. I'm trying to use those up before I purchase another one, but that is just... I forgot how much I love that. So, yeah. So that's what I have in my empties this month. Wait a minute. I have one more thing. I have a House of Lashes glue. This is the black glue. I'm telling you, nothing beats the Duo Lash Glue. I tried the House of Lashes glue. It's no good. No bueno. I don't like it. So, that is all of my empties for the month, I think. We have a perfume, an empty perfume. Chloe, it's okay. We won't be buying that. We will not be buying that. All right. That is everything I have, ladies and gentlemen. So, we'll see what empties I come up with next month. Hopefully, there'll be a lot from my little pan that, oh, you know, pan 25, or I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, let's just get off here before we get ourselves in trouble. All right, everybody, I love you guys so, so much. I hope you come back and see the next video. I'll see you guys soon. Mwah.